Alright, well, welcome to, So, this is my back. What's up, guys? Welcome to my first unboxing in a long time. I've been kind of not making videos for a while, but always been fingerboarding. I wanted to jump back in the game, so I just bought a brand new complete from Flatface Fingerboards. You can see right here. This one took a while to ship because it got lost in the mail. There was some sort of processing exemption. Not sure what that actually means, but did take a little bit of time, but I'm glad it's here. So I thought I'd just jump right into a boxing of this. What I got in here is the Flatface Blackriver collaboration deck with the melting pizza graphic. Really tight. I'm excited to see it in person. I got some Blackriver Trucks, obviously, go-to. And then, let's see, some dual core Flatface bearing wheels. Excited to dive in, so let's check it out. Wow. This bubble mailer is packed. So this is my order. So let's start with the stickers. It seems to be the go-to these days. So it's a lot of stickers. Right on, man. Appreciate that, Flatface. Always been a big supporter. Great to see you guys showing your love. That. All right, let's go through these real quick. Awesome. So we got this bougie sticker, real tight. I can see me getting that somewhere. Let's see. Blackriver. Sweet. Berlinwood. Got an FBS sticker. I've actually never tried FBS. FBS. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I've been wanting to try it out, so if I get some good feedback, might be my next tape I try out. Some BRTs. Classic, dude. These are the best. About to try out some Y trucks. They're in the mail. Got a Collinswood deck, so all that's coming. I'll make a video for that one as well. This is a cool sticker. I've never seen this one before. Flatface. That's sick, dude. Right on. Classic Flatface dot sticker. This one, man, so many stickers. That's what's up. I like that one, kind of spooky. Huh, kind of 90s throwback. I like it, man. It's born in 92, so represent. There you go. Oh, I love this. This is the graphic I got on my board. I'm excited to see it. It's a G15 shape, so it's going to be new. I'm writing a, let's see if I got it on me. Yeah. Writing a G14 right now. I got mismatched trucks and wheels, man. It's shoddy, but it works. And I shred on it, so can't complain. Start with the wheels. Got the Flatface wheels Dual Durometer with a blue vinyl. Got the golden turquoise combo, if you can see that. Real tight, man. Never had a problem with flat face wheels. That's the deck. And these are the trucks. I got the BRTs with the black base plate. It looks like the bushings are like a goldenrod color, which looks really good with the golden hardware on there. So awesome. And here's the deck, what we've all been waiting for. And check it out. Man, I'm in love with that color right there. Do you see that, dude? Sick. Wow, that looks so good. I love this, man. I'm excited to set it up. So let's see if there's anything else in the pack. That is it, guys. That is everything. Real tight, man. I'm so excited to set this up. I'll set this up and come back and show you guys set up, maybe do a couple tricks, and I'll do a review of this board and set up once I've used it for like a week or so. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, share with your friends, man. Always trying to share the fingerboarding community with those. It's a great way to stay creative, stay passionate about something, keep your fingers busy. I really like it, so feel free to share with your friends and look forward for more videos, man. Alright guys, so I started unboxing this, but I wanted to show you all this stuff out of the package, and I'm really stoked on how all the colorways turned out together and the craftsmanship of all this, man. Check this out, guys. So sick. It's kind of got like a grayish, almost copper gold bottom ply with this flat face dripping like melting pizza graphic applied by Berlinwood. The top ply is this royal blue. It looks really nice, man. It's got medium dips, kicks right here. Concave's really perfect for me, man. I don't like it to be too crazy. It just grabs your fingers too much and you can't really have as much control. So that's the board. These are the, see if we can get this to focus. Not really. It's got a really cool ply outline, but it is what it is, man. Sick. Starting to set that up. These are the trucks. Most of you guys are probably familiar with Blackriver Trucks. I got the black base plate. The tuning is this orange color. It's gonna look really good with the pizza graphic. And then I got the dual durometer wheels. Yeah. You can see it's got the turquoise center. And then the gold outer layer. So I'll get this set up and show you guys what it looks like.
I couldn't love you, but I wished I could. Cause I got hurt and closed you off and you understood. But look, yeah, that's just blood on the leaves. The champagne tastes worse when it wasn't for free. That's why these thirsty bitches didn't come here with me. Move along, girl, there's nothing to see. And what a blessing every second is. Missed calls and messages. I miss the nights when you would call, just checking in. The girl I love, I ain't seen her in months. It's just the cost of being up in the front.
Alright guys, sorry. It's the next day. I actually ran out of grip tape, so I couldn't set up the board. It was total letdown, but I knew I had some Kim FB grip coming in the mail. You see it right here. Shit's dope, dude. It looks just like the bottom of a pair of Vans, dude. The waffle print. It's sick. He's got his insignia right here. Really cool. He actually put it on like the package order too. like he hand wrote it. It was really cool. I threw it away, but not too nostalgic. What can I say, man? So here's some tricks.
The one that I see, cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Whoa, whoa. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hit the road when you're missing home. You only know you love her when you let her go. But you let her go.